So some of y'all wanted me to do this video in a southern accent, and I said no. But I figured I could at least do the intro with one. So here it is. Okay, enough of that. Theo, Ibby, Jack, are y'all happy now? Because I'm not doing this again. Hey guys, Stuff here. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be checking out the Uhuru UM-925 USB gaming microphone. Anyway, big thank you to Uhuru for reaching out and sending this to me for video purposes. And with that out of the way, let this review commence. Starting off with design, the Uhuru UM-925 comes in a sleek matte black color and according to the product page is made out of high-grade steel. There are no buttons or dials that can be used for gain adjustment on the mic. It measures in at about 6 inches without any of the accessories on it. Speaking of accessories, it comes with a windscreen, a pop filter, a small mic stand, a shock mount, as well as a boom arm. The boom arm does feature a clamp so you can attach it to your desk or another platform. It also allows you to adjust the mic at whichever angle you prefer, so that's another pretty neat feature from my perspective. Now for the pop filter, I personally don't use it, as that's basically the same function as a windscreen. It blocks out unnecessary noise, except it adds a lot more bulk. Also inside the box is a rubber USB Type-B to Type-A cable because this is a USB microphone, and at the bottom of the UM925 is that USB Type-B port, no headphone jack however. It is plug and play, so won't need to download any sort of drivers or softwares for it whatsoever, and it's compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. So the Uhuru UM-925 is a condenser microphone and has a cardioid polar pattern. That means that only one side of the mic can be used to pick up your voice. In order to know that you're using the correct side, make sure that the Uhuru logo is facing you. It has a 25mm diaphragm for that rich and full sound when you talk into it, and it's equipped with a professional sound chipset which can capture audio up to 24-bit or 192 kHz resolution. It has a frequency response of 30 Hz to 16 kHz and a sensitivity of -38 decibels to -3 decibels. The microphone that I'm using right now to talk into is the Shure MV88 Plus, of which I wanted to give away last year. The sound quality is pretty good, but it comes with very little accessories and it picks up a lot of background noise. So now for this upcoming portion, make sure you have headphones or earbuds on because it will be a mic test for the UM925 with the windscreen on and no pop filter, followed by another comparison to my original mic after that. Alright y'all, so now I'm talking into the UM925 microphone. As you can hear, it sounds very good and it barely picks up any of the background noise. I do kind of wish that there was some sort of like mute button or gain adjustment dial on the microphone, but one can only ask for so much. So I've been using this mic for about a week now, and honestly it's been amazing. While I was gaming with my buddies, they couldn't even tell I got a new mic until I told them because it just sounds so high quality. But yeah, now I'll go back over to the Shure MV88 Plus to compare it with this one. So I'm back on the MV88 Plus, and you can tell that there's sort of a difference with this one because it picks up much more background noise. It's also clearly louder than the UM925, and what's funny is that I have this mic that I'm talking into right now placed farther from my mouth than the other one. Regardless though, they both are amazing microphones, and sound quality is much better than a headset mic. Moving on now. Now for the cost of this microphone, oh boy. It comes in at only $70. What? Yes, you heard me. This microphone kit, which includes so many accessories such as a boom arm or a pop filter, it comes in at such a low price. So for those of you getting into streaming or doing YouTube, you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on a good sounding microphone, as well as separately buying accessories for it. And I'm sure that this mic will sell well, so I'll have an affiliate link in the description, so check it out if you're interested. Now for some pros and cons. First off, I really love that the Uhuru UM925 comes with so many accessories at such an affordable price. I also really enjoy the fact that it's a cardioid microphone, so it won't be picking up too much background noise. The sound quality of it is also quite clear and rich from my perspective, and it's not too quiet or too loud at all. To make it short, it's extremely well balanced. The design of the UM925 is quite sleek too, with branding only on one side to indicate which side to speak into. As for cons, I only have one, but even then it's not that big a deal. I really wish that there was a mute button and a gain adjustment dial. Not only would it serve more purpose, but it could also act as an indicator to which side to talk into instead of just a printed logo. So for my final verdict, would I recommend the Uhuru UM925 USB gaming microphone? The answer is definitely a huge yes. At this price point, you're really getting a lot for what you're paying for. It features magnificent sound quality, and it comes with so many accessories in its box. Again, for those of you who want to begin streaming or say start a podcast, this mic is perfect for you. Uhuru, if you're watching this, add a mute button and a gain control dial, and I couldn't have asked for more. Again, Links in the description if you want to check this out. Anyway, that'll wrap it up for my review of the Uhuru UM-925 USB gaming microphone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so I won't miss out on any of my future videos. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at KingXFOfficial, as well as join my Discord server where more giveaways will be happening in the future. I'm KingXF, mic drop.